Welcome to our video tutorial for featured locations found under Website Admin Settings. In this video, we'll cover the detailed settings and options found under featured locations. These settings control the featured locations on your website. Your featured locations are the communities you want to focus on, where you spend most of your time and marketing attention. These will be used to create dynamic website content and pages. With that, let's get started. The primary section is Featured Locations. Here you will see all current featured locations and favorites. Existing featured locations can be edited by pressing Edit. Under Edit, Featured Location, you can assign the location that is used. This can be made more specific by clicking More if needed. The location can be marked as Favorite from here as well. Choose a preferred featured location image to be used. This will be the image used by dynamic website content and pages for this featured location. This image will also be used by default for several purposes, including social media sharing, for any card title image where the location appears in widgets, and for the page masthead. Advanced can be pressed to assign a specific card title image, otherwise the location image will be used by default as mentioned. Links are the linked price points or types that will link to a page filtered for this featured location. These links can be optionally shown on cards and tiles for this location. Links can be copied as well as edited. When editing a link, you can assign link text, assign where the link goes to when clicked, and if the link will open in the current window or a new window. New links can be created by pressing Add Link. The same controls from Edit Link are shown here, but will instead create a new link. Links can also be removed, but be careful as there is not an undo option. The next section is Page Settings. Here you can assign a page name and adjust if you want this featured location to use site-wide on-page load registration settings, exit intent registration settings, or time on page registration settings. Advanced can be pressed to adjust meta title or meta description for this featured location page. The next section is Page Content. Here you can enable or disable the use of a masthead format for the page heading, as well as decide if you want to use default content for the featured locations page content and layout. Finally, Navigation Link will assign the name used and if you want to include this in your main navigation of the website. If you're happy with your changes, you can press Save Featured Location. The same controls for editing are found when Add Location is clicked, if a new location is desired. After this is the option that allows you to set the favorite locations order. And the last option is the button at the bottom, Default Location Settings. That will set the default links and default page content. And that concludes our video tutorial for featured location found under Website Admin Settings. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. And most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our elite service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.